system. It's a watershed. And water has no boundaries, but we govern it with different states and cities and all that stuff as it grows. And then you can keep pointing fingers and saying, you polluted the Ganges. So if you start looking at business outfalls into the Ganges, if anything, right? Discharges directly, runoff into the Ganges. Then you start looking at sensors. Like let's say you have sensors into the watershed sporadically distributed throughout the watersheds. Today you have these buoys that you can plant in real time, the data that's connecting all the data. So the use case here is not just knowing where the pollution is coming from, right? In the sense of the hotspots, because now you have data sensors that are collecting data in real time. Now you have a hotspot that is emerging. So what do you do? The hotspot is now connected to the cloud. The cloud is connected to the GIS. The GIS is on my phone. I'm in the government. I'm looking at it from a standpoint of enforcement. My job is to make sure two things. One, why did the hotspots emerge, right? Where is that pollutant coming from? So I can trace it back to the next hotspot and somehow create some map around it to say, okay, this is the area, I've isolated it. So enforcement can be done on its much before that goes propagates down,